digital microscope USB. So if we look at this, we've got 2.0 megapixel digital, 30 frames a second. Only really interested in still images, not really interested in video, but be interesting to see how good it is. What else? 1600 zoom. Some other specs on the back. Image sensor. You can see that it goes down. 300 grams. Okay, let's see what you get in the box. Now, we get the box open easily. It's a push one. Let's get that out. Right, okay, put that there. So this is it. I think it was about £9, but I'll put the link in to the Amazon site for it. Right, so here we go. What do we get in the box? We get something that looks like a torch, but obviously it isn't. That, I guess, is a protector cap. Okay, let's get that out. Let's move that to one side. This is the holder. Now, apparently these, oh gosh, it's interesting. It's got like a screw. Oh, let's see, that'll work. Okay, well that's quite good. It's got a foam base on it, so it doesn't slide around too much. And obviously this just goes into here somehow. Probably there, maybe. Whoops. Like that, that's it. And then we can just zoom in and out. So we need to undo this. Actually, what's that on there? I think that's the light monitor. Okay, let's get this plugged in and take it from there. Right. USB sockets are a bit chocker at the moment. Let's wang it in here and fire this beast up. Right, one thing I did notice is when you plug it in, it just lights up briefly. Or at least it did before. Oh, there we go, it's actually on. So, let's start the beast up. Right. So, what have we got here? Oh, calibration. We won't bother with that. And something else. We'll only bother with it if the images are absolutely really bad. Something which is predominantly looks to be in some Chinese but some chill English. Oh, that's the app. High view setup. It's the URL for the software. soft.hvscam.com. Sounds nice. Right, well this has stayed on. This is fired up, so let's have a look. Alright, so here we go. Let's go to this URL. Kind of need the microscope to read the actual text. soft.hvscam.com. Whoa, look at this. Digital microscope supplier. Let's go software download. Doesn't seem to be doing much. Ah, English. Ah. that's the latest one. Let's go that one. Open. Right, that's installing. Oh, it's a RAR fault. Right, I need some sort of zip app. Right, we are installing WinRAR. There. Let's see. Let's go back to that. Downloads. That is the one we want to look at. Open it with that. No, we just want to run the setup. English, next, install. Right, run. We are looking a bit like no image though. Let's go and look at this device. Open. USB, digital camera, accept all the defaults. Ooh! Now it's working. Right, let me get some things for us to look at. Actually, let's look at the instructions. Methinks that I've got something on the lens. There's a dot. That would be bad. You know what I said about calibration? We may have to do it. That does. Right, let's do calibration. Right, so we are not using any calibration. I'm just going to show you on the screen. This is a 2p piece. So it is pretty good actually. It's a lot better than using an eyepiece, I would have thought. This is obviously a really corroded 2p. But if we look, see that's what we've got. The stand isn't great. If you want to zoom out, there's a snap button on the side for taking still pictures, but this is all a bit wobbly, so you might want to do something with that, because you need to lift this up and focus it in to come away from the object. It's hard to do it when it's there. So you can see there's the image that I'm getting. This does control the brightness, this lever. So if I can, that's as bright as it goes. So for the money, I think it's bang on. I mean, look at that, the detail you're getting off that. If I can, there. That's pretty good. Let's look at something else. I'm trying to see what I've got. Got a pot of coins and stuff. So look at a 1p. Okay. So that 1p, 1994. Yeah, that's good. See, that's the thing, with an eyepiece, it's a pain, it's a bit of a pain using them. Especially the ones that got that mega magnification, which means in the end all you're doing is kind of, I think it inverts the image, but they're really not that great to use. See my fingernail there, it's quite dirty, isn't it? What about my finger? Ooh. What are those white bits? Oh, it's sand. So you could look at a grain of sand with this thing. Let's have a look at something else. Alright, I'll show you this quickly. This is a ring, and there's some hallmarks. So that's pretty good. Because looking inside the ring, this focuses, it might not focus, I don't think it is. But basically you can't really see them. Not when you've got his eyes as young as me, but yeah, so that's pretty good. On the outside we can see, you have to keep focusing it though, you have to keep on turning this to get that focus, but yeah, that's quite nice. You can see like the notches in the gold there, scrapes and stuff. So look at my finger. There you go. Fingernails. Right, this is good. However, you ideally want something to hold the object. You can get those little crocodile arm, little metal crocodile clip arms, and they will hold things in place. You want one of those, and this needs to have a sturdier stand, because otherwise you're holding the body and you're doing this, you're trying to hold this still. It's not always good to have things flat, such as rings, if you're looking for hallmarks inside. But yeah, I mean, look at that. It's one of those things you probably wouldn't use it that often, but when you do need to use something like this, it's going to be pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching this. Don't forget to rate, subscribe. If you've got any questions on this item, let me know, and I'll ask them. I'll even answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye.